To promo code in 1xBet, start by creating an account on the 1xBet website or mobile app. If you already have an account, proceed to the next step. Once you are logged in, navigate to the promotions or bonus section, usually located at the top or bottom of the homepage. Look for the promo code field, which is typically marked as have a promo code. Click on this field to enter your promo code. Make sure to type the code correctly, as it is usually case sensitive. If you do not have a promo code, you can obtain one from the 1xBet website or from affiliate websites. After entering the promo code, click the Apply or Redeem button to activate the promo code. The promo code will be applied to your account, and you will receive the corresponding bonus or promotion. The bonus can be in the form of free bets, deposit match, or other rewards. To use the promo code, you may need to make a deposit or place a bet, depending on the terms and conditions of the promotion. Make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions before using the promo code. This will help you avoid any potential issues or misunderstandings. It is also important to note that promo codes usually have an expiration date, so make sure to use them before they expire. Additionally, some promo codes may have specific requirements, such as minimum deposit or bet amount, so make sure to check the terms and conditions before using the promo code. By following these steps, you can easily promo code in 1xBet and take advantage of the bonuses and promotions offered by the website. Always remember to read and understand the terms and conditions before using a promo code. And never share your promo code with anyone to avoid any potential issues.